Tropical sage is a very common perennial wildflower that is found here in South Florida. Tropical sage is also known as Salvia, which is its genus. It's also known as scarlet sage, Texas sage, and blood sage. Tropical sage is common in the southeastern United States, specifically here in Florida. It is a common wildflower and it's great for your gardens, although it can be found in the wild, often in disturbed habitats. It's more common to be planted in gardens though. Tropical sage is best known for gardening because it's a great plant for pollinators such as butterflies and hummingbirds and even bees. Well, tropical sage can get up to 6 feet tall, as you can see with how tall this one is over my head. They send up these spikes and then you can identify it by these tubular flowers. So they come in pink, white, or red. It can grow in sandy to rich soil, and it's one of the plants that can handle full sun to partial shade. So it's a great plant to have in your garden because it's so easy to take care of. It also self-seeds, which means you can start with a plant and the seeds will go underground and they will just spread. So your entire garden can be filled with tropical sage.